Hey, how's it going? AAT here. Just before we jump into today's video, I just want to quickly apologise for the lack of uploads lately. I've been having a bit of a break from YouTube and other social media for the All About Tech branding to update the office and studio layout and basically decorate it to where I want it to be. I've been messing around with office layouts, etc. to see what would be the best option for me to be able to create videos, get a nice background, etc. And whilst it's not 100% there yet, I know that this corner behind me is pretty bare at the moment, but there will be stuff going in there in the near future. Whilst it's not 100% there yet, I do feel like we are at the point where we can start creating content and upload them to YouTube again. All About Tech is going through major changes at the moment, from the types of videos that we're going to be producing to the whole process of how we create and upload videos for you guys to watch on YouTube. So with that being said, thank you so much to everyone that supported the channel over the last 2 years, 2.5 years, almost 3 years coming up, to be fair. So yeah, thanks for the support, and let's jump into today's video. Today we are checking out the Super EQ S2 headphones from, you guessed it, Super EQ. I'd like to thank Super EQ for sending these over for me to check out. This isn't a sponsored video, this isn't a paid review or anything like that. They just offered to send me over the headphones for me to check out on the channel, and that's what I plan on doing today. This is a relatively new brand that comes under the Odio brand. I've done a few videos in the past of Odio headphones, and this brand looks specifically to target younger audiences from all their marketing material, etc. And just like all other Odio headphones or ESCA headphones, you get that 24-month warranty for these headphones as well. The S2 is available on their website directly or through Amazon. I'll leave links in the description to both sites, and they're available in this cool black color as well as like a green orange sort of color that it looks quite cool, to be fair. And on the marketing material there's like a black and blue color as well, although those aren't released and you can't actually buy that color yet, although they do look quite nice from the marketing material. They cost $40, $39.99 from their website, or $45 on Amazon, and they offer active noise cancellation, USB Type-C fast charging, and can be used both Bluetooth and wired connections. They claim 18 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation enabled and 25 hours with just Bluetooth enabled. In the box, you'll receive the headphones in a black leather style carry bag. This carry bag resembles the Odio carry bag that you get with some of the other headphones, which I've previously done videos on, although the bag of the Super EQ headphones are considerably thicker. You get a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for charging the headphones, and like I said, these support fast charging. You also get a 3.5mm headphone cable for standard 3.5mm jack connections, and you also get your warranty card and useful information and manuals, etc. Now, onto the headphones themselves. My first reaction when picking up the headphones is that they feel quite solid in the hand, and they feel like they've got pretty good build quality. They've got a good weight to them. They're not trying to copy anyone here. This is a design that I've not really seen. And I do like the design of these a lot. You've got 4 buttons on one side of the headphone. You've got your power on, you've got your A and C enable and disable button, and then you've got a minus and plus, which is for your volume. The hinges snap into place very, very solidly. They're not going to be coming undone and coming loose. And not only can you fold them like this, they've also got the 90-degree swivel, so you can lay them flat on a desk if you want to. The mechanism for adjusting the size of the band is different to what I've seen in the past. The headphones don't use a standard flat clicking mechanism to put the headphones into the correct position. It feels like that it's using the single circular band and there's some tension inside of the headphones themselves here, which will just stay in place wherever you want. I mean, you could see that as a positive because you could get an exact adjustment of what you need rather than the clicking step mechanism. Although in terms of reliability, I'm not sure how much better or worse the reliability of this mechanism is going to be over that other style of size adjustment. And I've not had them that long, so it's going to be hard for me to say whether or not these will last long term. Although with that 24-month warranty, you should be fine. I don't think they would offer that warranty if they didn't have good reliability. So what's also good about the this piece here is that it is metal. So again, for reliability, that could be a major plus. The on-ear breathable protein ear pads, no, you can't eat them. They're nice and soft, and they are comfortable on the ears. They don't fully cover your entire ears. Well, not mine, because my ears are pretty big. They're like a circular style, and the ear cups aren't massive. So if you're not into that sort of headphones, if you want your ears to be fully inside of the ear cups, then these aren't going to be for you. Although I do think that these are pretty comfortable. They don't feel that heavy on your head, and they're not really going anywhere when I shake my head about. I've listened to these for long periods of time without feeling any discomfort. The longest period I had them on for was for a good hour and a half, 2 hours. And although at that point my ears and that were a bit sweaty, they weren't feeling very uncomfortable. I didn't really have any pain, etc. That a lot of very heavy, tight headphones would give. Now, on to the sound quality of these headphones. These headphones have really good bass. They've got a really good amount of bass. I love having bass in my headphones. So many of the lower priced headphones just absolutely lack any sort of bass whatsoever. And the bass is marketed quite, it's quite prevalent in their marketing that they are really shouting about the bass of these headphones. The audio is clear over Bluetooth. You don't hear noise, etc. They only cut out when I went to the other end of the house and I forgot my phone wasn't in my pocket, so that's kind of my own fault. But I could go directly downstairs into the kitchen and they won't cut out. It's only when you start really pushing the distance of these and they'll start to cut out, but there's not really a scenario where that's going to happen. Sound does leak from these headphones, so if you're listening to Aqua's Barbie Girl and you're on a bus or you're on a tube or something like that, you will be stared at. People will know your secret that you love listening to Aqua Barbie Girl in public, and you're not going to be able to keep that secret. These do leak sound. Active noise cancellation. The feature's heavily marketed in these headphones. I just left the setting off because I felt like as soon as I turned active noise cancellation on, it really messed with the bass of these headphones, and I really didn't like the way they sounded with the ANC turned on. Active noise cancellation, it's a bit of a gimmick anyway, in my opinion. If you have these on a good amount of volume, you're not really going to hear other things going on anyway. I don't really feel like you need it, and not only that, you'll get more battery life out of them, so you're welcome for that little tip there. Overall, I'm really impressed with these headphones. These are $40 and they have USB-C, they have fast charging, the Bluetooth gives clear audio which doesn't cut out. They have a good design to them. I would have loved to check out the more colourful designs of them. I've been listening to my music with these and consuming content with these for the past couple of weeks, and it's the most I've used a pair of headphones in quite a while, to be fair. Apart from obviously when I'm on the PC and I've got my Kraken tournament editions plugged in because I'm playing games or whatever. But I am really impressed with these headphones. If I had any sort of criticisms or anything for the headset for these headphones, I would say that maybe the band is a bit thin There's not a lot of padding in there. You've just got this like this rubbery textured finish on the band themselves, and maybe the active noise cancellation feature. I'd maybe edit it a bit or just scrap it, because I don't feel like it's needed, and I feel like it really affects the bass of these headphones. If you want to check out these headphones for yourself, again, I'll leave the links in the description. Thanks to Super EQ for sending these over for review. Like I said, I'm really impressed with them for the price. They're $40. They're $40, and you don't get many headphones with really good sounding bass, clear Bluetooth audio, with no cutting out, solid hinges, and just a pretty solid build for the price. Not a sponsored video, not been paid to make this video, just been sent the headphones to check out, and yeah, I'd recommend them. I really would. So go ahead and smash that like button if you liked the video. It really helps the channel. Again, it's gonna be it's gonna be slow getting more and more content out there, but we will get there. And again, like I said, the way that we're going to be producing content is going to be vastly different to the way that we have in the past. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss that. What we will be doing is, in just to give you an idea of what type of videos will be going live each week, my aim is to do one product review or product showcase, etc., and one tech news video segment per week. So one will be midweek, one will be at the weekend or something, and each week you will have the roundup of all the tech news, and then another video hopefully with a product showcase. If there's no product to showcase, then we'll just do the tech news, as it were. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. It really does help me. It really helps the YouTube algorithms, as everybody says. I hope you all have a really good weekend, and I'll catch you guys out in the next one. Peace.